Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Today I'm working on stuffed cheddar potato cakes. Nah, sorry, it's not keto, but I definitely give it kudos because it tastes pretty good. Want to see how I make my stuffed cheddar potato cakes? Follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Oh yeah, the key to quality potato cakes is to start with some good mashed potatoes.
That doesn't look like keto to me, neighbor.
Hey there, Wilson. I said kudos for a nice recipe, not keto recipe. Here, you want to try one?
Not bad. I love the cheese filling.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.